Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Randy back with another video, and I'm finally doing my last new fragrance that I got over the weekend, and that is a fragrance that me and my daughter went to Macy's. We did a little competition between all of the men's fragrances they had there. We brought it down to our top 5: YSL Perfume, Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male, Sauvage Elixir, Bleu de Chanel Parfum, and Bad Boy Cobalt. And the winner of it, between both of us, we chose it, and it was our first choice by far, and it was super surprising to me because I've only smelled this one time, Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male. So I smelled it at Ulta about a year ago. I don't know why I didn't like it then. Maybe because my nose was playing games with me. But this is one of the most unique, sweet yet spicy fragrances that is, if you like Le Male, I know I keep calling this Ultra Male, but it's Ultra Male. If you liked Le Male, which is the original, then you will like this. It's just a spicier version of the original with a little bit better of a sweetness. So from the presentation, you can see it comes in a canister here, and once you open from the bottom, it's like a red carpet pedestal for the bottle to sit on. And then you have the bottle, which I call them the Naked Man bottles. They have a little pull clip to open it up, and then you have they have the newer bottles that have like a leaf covering as dong, but other than that, that's what the bottles mostly look like. This one's blue with the black stripes and Gaultier on the back, and that is Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male. And so this is a Eau de Toilette Intense, and it lives up to that name for sure. To me, it's actually closer to an Eau de Parfum. So I'm just going to give you the performance first. This is a longevity projection beast. It lasts at least 8 to 10 hours. It projects crazily. I mean, it's so much, like I'd say 5 to 6 feet at least for a while. And then the sillage is just the same. It's well above average. So the top notes in this are pear, lavender, mint, bergamot, and lemon. The mid notes are cinnamon, caraway, and clary sage, and the base notes are black vanilla husk, amber, patchouli, and cedar. I also wanted to point out that with the purchase at Macy's with the Jean Paul Gaultier Ultra Male, you also get this really nice Jean Paul Gaultier gym bag, as well as a bunch of different Dior samples, so it's definitely worth a look. What I smell throughout the entire lifetime of the fragrance are mostly 5 things: pear, lavender, cinnamon, black vanilla husk, and amber. Really, it's just like a black vanilla for me. But off the top, what you get is a pear. It's a really juicy synthetic pear that you get off the top, and the synthetic isn't a bad word when used correctly. In the opening, you also get a little bit of freshness from the bergamot and the lemon in the background. You don't really get much citrus, and then you get a little bit of the lavender, but for the most part, you get pear. I know some people say this is a fall fragrance, but for me it is a spring and fall fragrance because it's a very unique, versatile fragrance that really can be worn all year round. But my wife, my sister, my daughter, and myself all agree that there is more freshness in here than there is spiciness. So when you have that opening, you have that pear, you have that really nice, unique sweetness to it. It's probably the most unique sweetness in any fragrance that I have tried to date. And then once you get to the mid and the dry down, you get that cinnamon, which adds some spice, and then that black vanilla and amber that adds the warmth to it. It is more of a nighttime fragrance. I wouldn't wear it to the office unless you usually use one spray. It's not an office type fragrance. It's a going out, date night type fragrance that you would wear again mostly at night. But I would definitely recommend this, at least to go out and try it. If you don't try it, you're doing yourself a disservice. It's a great fragrance. It's one that I will be adding to my rotation forever. And I got the 6.8 ounce again because they had it on sale and it's all they had, but I am really excited about it. I am putting this in one of my top 5 fragrances, and if you guys like this content, please like and subscribe, or if you have any more questions about it, comment below. It's going to be in a lot more of my videos, I can guarantee you that, because it is that good. It's a fantastic fragrance, fantastic addition to any collection, or even just as your signature scent. But yeah, thanks very much, and I'll be back with another one.